And we're back with another video. Today's video we're gonna be lowering the fronts on the S15. You guys can tell there's a bigger wheel gap than the rear. So I'm gonna try to match the fronts with the rears. Car's super dirty right now. It like rained. I'll be giving it a wash after, so we'll be good on that. Here's the other side of the fronts compared to the rear. I do need an alignment, so the alignment is pretty off. And I already made the appointment for next week. We'll be getting that done. We get started on taking off the wheel and jacking up the car. All right, first wheel is off. As you guys can see, I'm on some coilovers. Not sure what kind of coilovers these are. Pretty much mismatched, at least with these are red, that's orange, and the top is blue. But yeah, I'm just gonna be lowering it. I already have a spacer, pretty fast spacer here. You see how my brakes are looking. It's the first time I look. And now I just need to get the key for the what's it called, for the coilovers, so I can adjust it. Oh shoot. And let me get started with this. I'm not sure how much I should lower it. I should have measured it out. Should I say an inch? Let me go bring a tape measure so I could be a little bit more accurate. I'll probably lower it an inch, if I'm being honest. It's pretty raised up. Right now it's looking like it's at 3 inches. Let's go, should I go 2? Go to 2 inches. A little bit more. Should be good. All right. All right. Looks pretty good. Now I just need to tighten it back up. There we go. And now let's put the wheel back on. Let me do the other side real quick, and then I'll show you guys the final product of it being slammed. Hopefully it's not too low where I have to go back and raise it at least a little bit more, but I also need to check if it rubs. So yeah, let me put the wheel back on and do that side real quick. The other side is fully matched with the driver's side. It's not super low. It's still like a finger and a half gap, 2 fingers like that. Which, I mean, I don't want to have it super low. This side's a little lower. I will show you guys one thing. It's a sneak peek because I know a lot of people don't watch the videos or to the end. But I'll give you guys a little sneak peek at the secret that I got going on. Oh wait, never mind. I'll take it out. Yeah, see this wiring? Yeah, see a compressor. And here is a tank. Does that kind of add up? Compressor, tank, and wiring. If you guys already know what's coming up is we're gonna bag this car. Yep. I got a pretty good deal on management. I only use my struts now. But we're gonna be bagging it. I'm excited. If you guys watch this far and you guys know that I'm bagging the car, make sure to go down to the comments. Comment what the secret is. I don't know, let's make a code slammed. Just comment slammed and I'll pick one of the comments and I'll send you guys over a weighted shift knob. I have an extra one that I'm not gonna use for this car that I bought for this car, but no, I'll just give it away to someone. Drop your Instagram, I'll DM you, and then I get your shipping info, and then I'll ship you guys a shift knob. So that's pretty much it for this part of the video, and I will go to the car wash and get the stock cleaned up. It is an Evo paint correction, if you guys can see all the swivels, but you know, I'll get that done eventually. I just need to hit up my detailer and see how much he'll quote me for it. We'll see you guys at the car wash. That's pretty much it. We finished washing the S15. We got boy Anthony over there drying his S5. We'll get his opinion on the S15. It's his first time seeing it in person, so crazy how much better it looks. Clean. It looks like a brand new car. Well, let me drive real quick and we'll get to it. What's your first impression on the S15?
It's clean, bro. Clean. Nice fitment already. It's crazy because it's like you can see how the vision's already gonna.
Oh, I did say, huh?
Yeah. And even just like, 'cause so far you've done what, the tail lights?
I done the tail lights and steering wheel. That's about it.
Lowered it a little bit, right?
Yeah, and I have a dash mat, but I haven't put it on yet.
Because I feel like it already looks even cleaner than when you initially got it, like from pictures. Maybe it's the fitment and the tails.
Probably.
But it already looks like it, you know?
Yeah.
Hey, overall, like, I feel like Marcos did a pretty good job on it.
Yeah, the wrap is good. I still have a video that I need to edit of that. I was gonna put like new wrap for my homies Audi. Yeah, you know I was recording? Yeah, I need to edit that. Yeah, I was recording. Well, it's kind of a last minute video. Like I was gonna.
How much are parts for these cars?
Depends. These were, I mean, they're cheaper in Japan than here. It's just the shipping and taxes is what is expensive. That's pretty much it. We watched the Sylvia. This is Anthony. You just watched his S5. You know, we got a car show tomorrow. I'll be recording that, uploading it to YouTube. We have a bunch of more people in the crew. At least like, how many are we getting? Like 11 people going? 13? 13. So I'll record that. It'll be similar to the Utah video. I choose my camera. I have a gimbal now, so you can get some pretty smooth shots. And you know, remember, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you remember the code, comment. I would be choosing someone for to give a shift off to.